This is a chapter quiz review for the second edition of our Paralegal Essential Skills book, or volume 2 rather. So here are the answers for the first quiz. In just a moment, as soon as I find them again. Ah yes, here we go. Yes or no, is it ethical for a paralegal to interview a witness? Yes! If a paralegal takes notes during a client interview, are those notes discoverable? Discoverable? No! Evidence which can be touched would be called what? Physical, tangible, demonstrative. Physical, tangible, or demonstrative. There we go. To uphold is to sustain or affirm. Oh, I'm sorry. To uphold is to affirm. Not to sustain, but to affirm. During an interview of a witness, a paralegal should always pursue whose interests? The client's. A potential witness's capacity to testify. Competence or competency. The goal of a paralegal during an interview of a client is to remain neutral. When first meeting a witness, you should be sure to identify yourself as a paralegal. How does one best access court rules in the hardbound publication? The index. In order for hearsay to be admissible, it must fall under an exception to the hearsay rule. Yes or no, is it ethical for a paralegal to interview a client? Yes. Admissible evidence means essentially believable evidence. False. Evidence which requires an inference would be what kind of evidence? Circumstantial. Evidence resulting from personal observation would be what kind of evidence? Direct evidence. A witness testifying at trial provides, in general terms, what kind of evidence? Testimonial, oral, testimonial evidence, or just oral evidence. You could say any of those things and you'd be right. Evidence which the jury will be allowed to consider would be called what? Admissible. That's the first quiz.